Pretty much when you're putting out lots of content for your business, one good thing to do is vlog. You just pretty much have to document what you're doing. You don't have to create. Hey guys, so today I'm just picking up D. We're gonna head out to an appointment. I'm gonna have a Zoom call with a potential client, good friend, and I'm gonna strategize some videos for them. But I'm just waiting for D to come. Fridays is the day that I get to work with D. She's a Sticks employee today. Call her the COO, Chief Operating Officer. So then after that, I'm gonna try and get a haircut because I'm speaking tomorrow at a business summit. And then after that, we got to shoot from 1 p.m. To 4 at a gym. And D's shooting with me.
Who are you talking to?
The GoPro.
Oh, I thought you were on the phone.
You're not used to me vlogging. Alright, let's go. So we're just gonna go book a haircut appointment so I can make sure I look good for the business summit. But what's actually cool is that today is a shoot with 3 people in one go.
Really?
Which haven't done that before.
So true.
3 shooters, 2 videographers and 1 photographer.
Shout out Jono.
Shout out to Jono. So the team will be me, D and Jono. And we're just going to get so much content for these guys. Stay tuned for behind the scenes of the shoot later today. Okay, what's up guys? So I just got back a few hours ago actually, and I've been spending the last few hours working on the social media stuff for Sticks. Pretty much when you're putting out lots of content for your business, one good thing to do is vlog. Like you just pretty much have to document what you're doing. You don't have to create. So if you just have a vlogging camera that you carry around, it's a good habit to have. Anything interesting happens throughout the day that you can put out to your audience, it's going to give value to them. You can just chop that up and put it online. So it's good to have a vlogging camera. So now I'm going to edit some photos for Snap Fitness. We did a photo shoot and a video shoot last week. So I'm going to edit some photos and show you how that looks. So I just spent some time going through those photos. I was just spending some time picking the best ones and filing them and sectioning them away so that next time I can start editing the photos. So this was a photo shoot for a gym. We did a few headshots with the trainers and the owners. We shot some videos with the trainers doing one-on-one sessions and taking the audience through step by step some different exercises, which was really cool. But I just started with the headshots. So while I'm going through the headshots, some things I'm looking out for is genuine smiles, relaxed postures, and just confidence. So I'm picking out all the best ones to make them look really good. So that's the end of the day for me. Hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. I'm gonna go head to the gym now. Hope you like getting a behind the scenes of some of the work that I'm doing. Hit subscribe if you want to see more of this content. If you have any questions about video and business, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be sure to answer it. So that's it, get making some content for your own business, and I'll see you in the next video.